Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Divi Builder. To begin, navigate to any page or post within your WordPress dashboard and simply click the Use the Divi Builder button. You'll then have the option to start fresh, duplicate an existing design, or select from hundreds of pre-designed layouts. This intuitive visual builder lets you see your changes instantly, making website creation straightforward and efficient. It's a powerful tool for crafting beautiful pages without any coding knowledge. Divi's structure relies on three core components: sections, rows, and modules. Sections are your largest containers, spanning the full width of your page and housing all other elements. Within sections, you'll add rows, which allow you to divide your content into various column configurations, from a single column up to 6. Finally, modules are your actual content pieces, such as text blocks, image galleries, or call-to-action buttons, which you place inside these columns to build your design. Customizing your design in Divi is incredibly flexible. Every element, from sections to individual modules, comes with a comprehensive set of design settings. You can effortlessly modify colors, typography, spacing, borders, and even add engaging animations. Divi also provides robust responsive editing options, ensuring your website looks perfect on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. For site-wide consistency, leverage global styles to apply uniform branding elements across all your pages. Once you've crafted a perfect design, Divi makes it simple to save and reuse your work. You can save individual modules, rows, or even entire sections to your Divi library, making them readily available for future projects. Whole page layouts can also be saved, allowing you to quickly build new pages with a consistent look. Furthermore, Divi enables you to export and import these layouts between different websites. And if you make a mistake, the History panel offers easy undo and redo functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.